Alright, really quickly going to do this last box of Topps Platinum. By the way, in case you can't see it, which you can't, if you look right over there, see these two boxes right here? That's Topps Chrome. So I'm probably going to have myself a little bit of a break-in party tonight. Maybe I'll get something good out of it. Boy, it'd be nice to pull a Super Fractor, because I don't think I've ever actually pulled one of those. I have a couple in my collection, but, you know, had to go buy somebody else's spoils for that one. Alright, last box. So far, I've been pretty pleased with my hits. I mean, I can't really complain that much. It's been pretty nice. Let's see if maybe we can continue into the third box. We've got a Darick Rogers Black Refractor Rookie and Benjarvis Green Ellis Blue. Darick Rogers. Tyrone Gord Base Rookie, Greg Jennings Blue. Eric Decker Die Cut, Denard Robinson X-Fractor Rookie, and Darren Sproles Blue. Monty Ball X-Fractor and Alfred Morris Blue. Aaron Dobson Base Rookie, Jimmy Graham Blue. Ezekiel Ansah Base Rookie, Phillip Rivers Blue. Manti Te'o Base Rookie and Matthew Stafford Blue. DeAndre Hopkins X-Fractor Rookie, Owen Daniels Blue. I apologize if there was a little bit of interference there. One of my buddies was calling me. Tyler Wilson Base Rookie, Brandon Marshall Blue. Jordan Warner Base Rookie, Joe Flacco Blue. Blue pile's awful big. Aaron Millette Base Rookie, Ryan Matthews Blue. EJ Manuel X-Fractor Rookie, JJ Watt Blue. I think all I'm missing now for the big guys, I think, is a Geno Smith and an Eddie Lacy. Alright, Base Rookie Auto, Kobe Hamilton. That's unfortunate. I've been doing pretty good. I was bound to get at least one not so hot one. Hopefully it's just one, and I'm not going to continue this. Eddie Lacy, Base Rookie. I got an avalanche of base cards. Russell Wilson Blue. And apparently I'm an important guy tonight. Joseph Randall, Base Rookie. Trent Richardson Blue. Landry Jones, Base Rookie. Matt Ryan Blue. So should have one rookie auto and a patch auto still. And here's the patch auto. Let's see, we've got a Rex Burkhead on the backside, and that's a pretty looking card. Monty Ball, number 42 out of 50. This is a Frost patch auto, 3-color patch. That's a nice little hit right there. So I got one base auto left. And you know what? That makes sense. Zach Line, Base Rookie Auto. I don't know if you can see it or not, nor do I think anybody actually cares if they can see it or not. 2 quick packs left. Unless I get lucky and hit an additional hit, that will be it for this. I got a Theo Riddick Base Rookie and a Frank Gore Blue. And the last one, Zach Desert X-Fractor and a Christian Ponder Blue. So there you have it. That's it. Topps Chrome will be coming up a little bit later.